Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule data auto refreshes on Google Sheets. So here I have already opened the Custodia add-on. And before we begin, we have to make sure that we have already created the query we want to use for our schedule. So I'm going to the Queries tab and I can see my query there. So now I can go ahead and create my first schedule. I'm going to name it, select my query, select the sheet I want the schedule to run on. So in my case, I'm going to select current sheet. And then I need to select how I want the data to be written on my sheet. It can either be append or override. So I'm going to select append. And then here I need to select the frequency I want the schedule to run on. It could be every day, certain days of the week, certain days of the month, or even certain months of the year. I'm going to select certain months of the year, and it's going to be June and December. And within these months, I want the schedule to run on certain days of the week. It's going to be Monday and Wednesdays. And on these days, I want the schedule to run every 3 hours from 8 a.m. until 5 p.m. Here I can see the time zone that's used for this schedule. It by default, it shows you your current time zone, but you can select something else here. And then here you can see a summary of your schedule. If it is all good, then you can go ahead and click on create. Once it has been created, you're going to see it here. And to activate the schedule, you just have to toggle it on in here. And that's it. That's how you schedule data auto refreshes on Google Sheets.